How to make reposts visible to everyone on TikTok. So all you have to do is to go directly to your TikTok application here. Now here on your TikTok application, it will actually lead you to your homepage, right? Now the next thing that you want to do is to actually go to your profile. So on the bottom part, you will see 5 different options there. Tap on profile there. Now it will lead you directly to your profile area, basically where you can see your posts or the videos that you have posted. Now if you swipe on it, you will be set to your private here, and basically your repost section where the videos that you repost are actually visible to your friends. Now, if you want it to be visible to everyone, what you can do is on the upper right, you will see the burger icon there, the 3 dash lines. Tap on that and go to settings and privacy. Now, under settings and privacy, tap on privacy there and scroll down up until you see the interaction section and look for the repost option. And as you can see, I do not have the repost section. That is because it's not yet available to my country, and maybe it's not yet also available to your country. Now, there are actually countries that have this option. So what you can do, if you have that option, what you can do is to tap on repost and set it to public, that it will be visible to everyone on TikTok. Now basically that is how you repost visible how to make your repost visible to everyone on TikTok. Now what you can do is you can go here to your App Store or your Play Store, depending on what device you have there, and just search for TikTok and make sure that you have updated the application, because it's a new feature of TikTok and you can only access it if it's updated. Now as you can see, my application is updated and I still do not have that option. That is because it's not yet available to my country. So what you can do is you can actually report a problem to TikTok here. So go here to settings and privacy, scroll all the way down and tap on report problem, and basically explain your problem and asking for TikTok for the repost option. And basically that is how you make repost visible to everyone on TikTok. And that is all for today. If this video helped you, please give us some thumbs up and subscribe to our YouTube channel for more tutorials. Thank you for watching.